Imagine a world where your body is not a mystery, but an open book. A day in which every accelerated heartbeat, every restless night, and every moment of peak energy are accounted for. Today, we are not just living in the era of technology, we are living in the era of conscious health. In this video, we will embark on an exciting journey through the most innovative wellness devices of the year. You will understand who the trackers are that truly change our lives, and how smart rings became the masters of sleep. You will learn why biohacking is no longer just for elite athletes, but for each of us. I will show you how to choose the ideal companion for your daily life, regardless of your goals. Stay with me until the very end, because I have prepared synthesized information and important recommendations for you. Years ago, fitness trackers were just plastic bracelets that often made mistakes. Today they are complex computers, hidden in elegant cases made of titanium and sapphire. They monitor the levels of oxygen in our blood and measure stress through heart rate variability. They even warn us if we're about to get sick, even before we feel the first symptoms. But with so many options on the market, it's easy to feel confused. Do we need a powerful smartwatch, or is it better to opt for a discrete sensor? The truth is that the best device is the one that fits naturally into your lifestyle. In the next few minutes, we will look at the market leaders who set the standards. The first category is high-end smartwatches for people who want everything in one place. These devices are an extension of our phone, our personal trainer and assistant. The leaders here offer incredible integration between hardware and software for easy analysis. We will focus on how these devices interpret the data and provide us with advice. When we talk about smartwatches, we can't help but start with the Apple Watch. The latest series features a larger display and sensors that are more precise than ever. It constantly monitors your pulse and can detect signs of arrhythmia or changes in temperature. All data is collected in the Health app, where you can see trends from years ago. On the other side is Garmin, the undisputed leader in the world of sports and endurance. Models like Phoenix and Epix offer maps, navigation, and detailed metrics for every sport. Their body battery feature shows you how much energy you have left throughout the day. When you see 10% battery, you know it's time for a break, not a workout. The choice depends on your focus, digital life, or adventures in nature. It is important to know how much time you have spent in deep, light, and paradoxical sleep. Some people prefer something more discreet, like smart rings without unnecessary notifications. These devices are for those who want to understand the deep processes in their body. We are entering an extremely interesting niche that has changed our perception of fitness trackers. Smart rings, led by Oura Ring, became a real sensation among people who value design and precision. One ring is much more comfortable to wear while sleeping. The sensors are closer to the arteries in the fingers, allowing for extremely accurate measurement of pulse and temperature. Oura doesn't just tell you that you slept poorly. It tells you why. Maybe you had dinner too late, or the room temperature was high, or you are under hidden stress. This type of feedback's invaluable for building healthy habits. Another player that deserves special attention is Whoop. This is a device without a screen that is worn like a strap on the wrist or arm. It is designed with one main purpose: to measure the balance between load and recovery. Whoop is a favourite among professional athletes because its software is ruthlessly honest. It tells you exactly how much you can push your body today, based on how you recovered last night. There is no step counting here because Whoop knows that 10,000 steps for one person is a light walk, while for another, it is a serious load. Everything is individual, and this is the greatest advantage of modern wellness technologies. When we start to understand this data, we change our attitude towards our own body. We stop competing with others and start listening to ourselves. If you find this information useful, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Your support helps us continue to create content that helps you be healthier and more informed. Thank you for being a part of our community. We continue with devices that are accessible to a wider range of people, but offer no less value. There's no need to spend thousands of lever. Brands like Fitbit and Xiaomi have revolutionized the market by offering high-end features in budget packages. Fitbit now provides excellent integration with artificial intelligence. Their stress management function through electrodermal activity is unique and helps many people realize how emotions affect their physical condition. Wellness is not just sports. It is emotional stability, quality sleep, and mindful eating. The best devices today encompass all these aspects. They remind us to breathe when our pulse rises for no reason. They tell us when is the best time to go to bed so we can wake up refreshed. Let's dive deeper into medical functions. The electrocardiogram function, or ECG, is no longer reserved just for doctors' offices. Smartwatches can take an ECG recording in 30 seconds. This is a technology that literally saves lives. The same applies to measuring blood oxygen levels, a key indicator of health. Another innovation is monitoring blood pressure from the wrist. Some Samsung models already offer this feature, a huge step forward for people with hypertension. These devices are not medical equipment, but they are an incredible tool for early diagnosis and prevention. Stress is the silent killer of our time. Modern trackers calculate stress levels through heart rate variability. The higher it is, the better our nervous system copes with stress. When your device shows high stress, it suggests a breathing session. These small moments of mindfulness can change your entire day. We cannot overlook women's health. The trackers offer detailed monitoring of the monthly cycle, using data on temperature and pulse. This helps women understand the changes in energy levels and mood. Technology is becoming more empathetic and connected to our biological needs. The real magic happens in the application. Companies are investing billions in artificial intelligence to translate numbers into actions. The social element is important. The ability to compete with friends creates a sense of community and keeps us accountable to our own goals. So far, we have mainly talked about bracelets and watches, but the world of wellness technologies is expanding rapidly. Smart scales no longer just measure our weight. They measure body fat percentage, muscle mass, water content, and even the visceral fat tissue, which is the most dangerous for our health. Some models can even measure the pulse wave velocity. Another interesting area is sleep improvement devices that are not worn on the body. There are sensors under the mattress. There are also smart lamps that mimic sunrise and sunset to regulate our circadian rhythm. Light is a powerful tool. The future of wellness devices lies in even greater invisibility. Imagine a t-shirt that monitors your posture, or socks that analyze your running technique to prevent injuries. These innovations are not far off. The integration with nutrition is the next step. There are already devices that monitor blood glucose levels in real time. Originally created for diabetics, today they are used by athletes to understand how foods affect their energy. As we move towards the end, think of wellness as a puzzle. Each dimension is a small piece of it. If you are looking for the best for everyday use and you are an Apple user, then the Apple Watch Series 10 or Ultra 2 are unmatched. For serious athletes and adventurers, the Garmin Fenix 7 or Epic series offers the best durability and analytics. For those of you who want discretion and sleep analysis, Oura Ring and Whoop are the leading choices. Oura is for lifestyle. If the budget is a priority, the Fitbit Charge 6 offers an incredible balance between price and functionality. It is important to remember a few things. First, check the compatibility. Second, consider the battery. Some last one day, others a month. Pay attention to the software subscriptions that are an expense. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Health is a personal journey, and every step is a success. Listen to your body. If you enjoyed the content, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and see you next time.
Support us by liking and subscribing.